Mobile police say a convicted felon was one of 2 people arrested on drug charges.
Now, that bust came after a 4-month investigation. Fox 2 News reporter Derica Williams has the story.
Mobile police say this stash belonged to Jennifer Tingley and Elliot Robinson.
We do know is that they were at least selling these drugs. They got the money from selling the narcotics.
After serving a search warrant at Tingley's home on Dawes Road, police say narcotics officers saw an array of drugs out in the open.
And when they arrived there, they were able to locate and seize a little over $10,000 of cash, just over 32 grams of crack cocaine, and a number of pieces of paraphernalia.
Police believe the couple was selling crack, cocaine, ecstasy, and these little vials.
That's what those glass pipes are, commonly used as crack pipes.
In addition to charges of trafficking and possession of a controlled substance, these 2 suspects are also charged with endangering a child.
They did find 2 children under the age of 10 years old in the house, in and around the area where the drugs were located.
I'm sorry, we're not available. I appreciate you guys.
Okay, no problem.
All right, babe.
Folks at the house didn't want to comment, but some neighbors did.
That's not cool. That's not cool. It's kind of upsetting.
We also learned something else about Elliot Robinson today.
Yeah, he was actually currently in actual state custody for a receiving first-degree charge that he had already been taken and been sentenced for, and it was actually in a front-end diversion plan.
That means he never went to prison on another conviction because he was a nonviolent offender. Robinson and Tingley are both in Metro Jail with no bond. Reporting from Mobile, Derica Williams, Fox 10 News.
And police say now that he's violated probation, Robbins might have to go back and serve part or all of his original 15-year sentence.